Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to today's session on Relational Database Service Fundamentals from Alibaba Cloud Academy. My name is Muhammad GENDRY AFRIANSYAH, studying at University of Muhammadiyah Jakarta. And today we're gonna explore the basic concept, benefit, and architecture of Apsara DB RDS. This is a database service designed to simplify your operation in the cloud. Let's check it out. We will go through four main topics. First, we will define what is Apsara DB RDS, and then we will discuss why this managed service model is so powerful. After that, we will look at the practical comparison between RDS and traditional approaches. We'll also take a quick look at the architecture behind the scenes. Next. Let's start with the fundamental question. What is RDS? It means, in a short, RDS is fully managed relational database service in the cloud. This fully managed concept is the core of the value over. As you can see in this diagram, RDS over 5 key pillars. First, high availability, and then high performance, and then a wide choice of database engine, easily scalability, and of course, a fully managed service. So, what does fully managed mean? It means that Alibaba Cloud takes over the time-consuming operational work. There are two key aspects here. First, the host and OS or operational system are fully managed. You don't have to install the OS, manage patches, or take care of the hardware. We guarantee up to 99.99% availability with automatic failover. Second, the storage is also fully managed. We provide high-performance SSD storage that you can expand up to 32 terabytes without worrying about this management. And next, to give a clearer picture, let's compare two approaches: building on your database traditional and using Alibaba Cloud RDS. With the traditional way, you have to go through a series of processes that take hours, from setting up the hardware to doing the setup. That's a long and complex process. On the other hand, with Alibaba Cloud RDS, the process is very simple. You just need to select your desired configuration, and in less than 10 minutes, your database is ready to go. This is a transformation from complexity to simplicity. That's it. And then, to put RDS in broader cloud content, let's understand the IEES and PEES service model. In an IEES model like ECS, you are still responsibility for managing the OS and everything on it. However, RDS is a classic example of PAS. Alibaba Cloud takes over all responsibilities down to middleware and runtime layers, which means you can focus entirely on application on data without the headache of OS patches, installation, or infrastructure management. Next. It is important to note that RDS doesn't stand alone. It is part of the highly integrated Apsara ecosystem. As you can see, RDS sits on the same layer as other core services such as Elastic Compute Service, or its mean ECS, and Object Storage Service, the OSS. All of these services are built on foundation of robust distributed infrastructure such as the Pango file system and proxy scheduling system. And last, to ensuring exceptional stability and performance. Next, now let's take a look at the behind-the-scenes architecture that makes all this work. This diagram. So, how your requests are processed. When you create an RDS instance through the web console or API, the request is processed by the control system that manages the entire database cluster. This system connects to various other support systems such as an automated backup system, monitoring system, and high availability system that ensures seamless failover. It is a complex architecture, but all this complexity is hidden from you, so you only need to focus on your application. Next, to the last, to summarize, here are the main takeaways from our presentation. First, ease of use. You can have a ready-to-use database in a minute. And then second, operational freedom. It means you are freed from tedious operational tasks. And then reliability and dependability. These services are built with a high availability and automatic backups. Most importantly, it allows you to focus on innovation. Instead of spending time managing database, you can devote your energy to building amazing application. I highly recommend you to try Alibaba Cloud RDS for your next project. And that's it for my presentation. And thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.